Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Pixel 7 for Verizon Prepaid. So the Pixel 7 is now here at Verizon Prepaid as of October 13th. So the new Pixels are here at Verizon Prepaid. It's available in 3 colors. Y'all guys have a snow color, lemongrass, which is being shown here, and the obsidian color versions here. 128 gigabytes of storage and it's $699.99. No contract, so that is really nice. So yeah, it looks like the Pixel 6 from last year. Obviously, very nice looking phone. I was a big fan of the Pixel 6 devices, and I am a big fan of the Pixel 7 devices as well. So there's the Pixel 7 right there, front and back. Very nice looking phone, like I said. It looks like the Pixel 6 from last year. So if you guys are familiar with the Pixel 6, this one will be familiar to you. So anyways guys, you guys have your hole punch, front facing camera, that earpiece above that, power button, volume keys on the right side of the phone. You will have an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is nice. On the back of the Pixel 7 is dual camera setup, camera flash, Google logo, and it looks like it has like a two-tone color option on the back there, so pretty nice there. Alright, so that's front and back. That's the front there. You know, very nice there. So each color that you got, whatever color that you guys would choose, it will match your wallpaper there. So this is the lemongrass. So yeah. Left side has your SIM card slot. Right side, like I said, power button, volume keys. There's the back of it there. A closer look at the back of the Pixel 7. You guys have your dual camera setup, camera flash, and I guess this is your noise cancellation microphone. I guess I'm not really sure. You have a Google logo there on the back. So yeah, there's the back of it again. Left side, you got your SIM card slot right there on the left, right there. And there's front and back once again. So the Pixel 7 has a 50 megapixel octa PD quad bay or wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide cameras, 26.87 hours of usage time, 246 hours of standby time, 2.9 inches in width, 6.1 inches in height. Features. Alright. Says here, meet Google Pixel 7. Simply powerful, super helpful. Powered by Google Tensor G2. Pixel 7 is fast and secure with amazing battery life in the advanced Pixel camera, and you can pair it with Verizon's 5G ultra wideband network for ultra fast connectivity. Bring together your Pixel phone, Pixel Buds Pro, and the Google Pixel Watch for personalized help throughout your day. So yeah, so the first thing we're talking about here is Google's second generation Tensor processor here, the Tensor G2 processor. Says the chip behind it all. Google Tensor G2 makes Pixel faster, more efficient, and more secure, with more helpful features and the best photo and video quality yet on Pixel. Pixel's adaptive battery can last over 24 hours. Live Translate lets you interpret face-to-face conversations in 48 languages, chat in real time, and more. Take amazing photos and videos with the Pixel 7 camera. Pixel 7 dual rear camera system helps you capture memories in stunning color and detail. Real tone represents the nuance of more skin tones beautifully, authentically, and more accurately. Magic Eraser, Mr. Clean, lets you remove Distractions like photo bombers with just a tap capture city lights, starry skies, and even portraits in low light with night sight, and with cinematic blur, you can now bring to your videos. Alright. Multiple layers of security to help keep your personal info safe, which is very important because you have a lot of dumbasses out there. Such as the Titan M2 chip and the Google Tensor security core, an extra layer of hardware security help makes Pixel more resilient to attacks with a VPN by Google One coming soon built in. Pixel helps protect your online activity no matter what app or web browser you use, and with Face Unlock, just glance at your Pixel to unlock it quickly. And the battery can last up to 72 hours. Thoughtfully designed, Pixel 7 is beautifully designed with recycled materials and IP68 is nice. Excellent. Switch over, don't start over. Whether you are switching from Android or iOS, it's easy to transfer apps, photos, messages, and contacts in a few steps. You have Wi-Fi. Side ratings will device whichever works. You get in over 200 countries, depending on what plan you guys have. You get 4G LTE, of course, 5G ultra wide build, 5G nationwide, of course. Here and there compatibilities there. Google Assistant, obviously, as your voice assistant. You have an in-display fingerprint sensor, like I mentioned at the beginning of this video. You have Face Unlock, pattern, PIN, password, your standard stuff for unlocking your phone. Which I suggest you guys use a fingerprint or Face Unlock because it's a lot more secure than using a PIN or pattern and all that. You do get hotspot up to 10 devices on 4G, 5G. There is no micro SD card expansion. You get 8 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, 128, 256 gigabytes of UFS 3.1 storage. Verizon Prepaid only has the 128 gigabyte version listed, so I don't know if they'll get the 256 gigabyte version later on. I have no idea. But as I'm recording this video, Verizon Prepaid only has the 128 gigabyte version only as I'm recording this video. It has Android 13, Google Tensor G2 chip with Titan M2 security coprocessor there. Rear camera, 4K video up to 30, 60 frames, 1080p video at 30 frames, 60. Front camera, 4K video at 30 and 60 frames, 50 megapixel octa PD. Quad barrier wide camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera on the back, 10.8 megapixel front camera, wireless charging, fast charging. 4355 mAh battery. That's the correct battery. That's the correct battery on here. It's 4355. Usage time 26.67 hours. Standby time 246 hours of standby time. 20:9 aspect ratio. You do get up to 90 Hz refresh rate on the Pixel 7 here, which is nice. Full screen 6.3 inches. Full HD plus 1080 by 2400. OLED 416p per eye. Go to Glass Victus cover glass, which is nice. You get edgeless Gorilla Glass Victus back with matted aluminum fingerprint resistive coating, which is very nice. 3 color options like I mentioned at the beginning of the video: obsidian, snow, and hazel. But they don't have the hazel version listed. They have lemon grass listed as the third color option here. So that's kind of interesting. You have a USB-C for charging. Weight 6.9 ounces. Nice. Depth 0.3 inches. Width 2.9 inches. Height 6.1 inches. Alright. If you guys need help with your Pixel 7, Verizon is here to help you out with that, with device support. It says here, Verizon Related Support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So, yeah. So what comes in the box is your Pixel 7 smartphone, USB-C to USB-C cable, quick start guide, quick switch adapter, and your SIM tool. So yeah, there you guys have it. The Google Pixel 7 is now here at Verizon Prepaid. So if you guys are looking to get a Pixel device on prepaid, Verizon has you covered with that here. So the Pixel 7 is now here at Verizon Prepaid for $699.99 for 128 gigabytes of storage, and that's the only storage option that is available on Verizon Prepaid as I'm recording this video. So yeah, so very nice looking phone, great specs and features and whatnot. So yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It lets me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.